Welcome to another video. Today I am in Bracciano, not too far from Rome, 45 minutes drive. And yeah, there's a lake Bracciano to be precise. It's a cool place when Rome gets too hot in the summer. You could always come out here. This is a great day trip from Rome. So anyways, I'm going to show you how to get here from Rome, as well as I'll show you around the town, and then we're going to end up at the lake and cool down after I'm drenching already. This is what the Bracciano train station looks like from outside. On average, it takes about 30 to 1 hour to travel from Rome to Bracciano by train. The tickets from Rome to Bracciano start from €1.80 and go up to €5. I am now in the piazza of Bracciano. There are loads of restaurants around me. It's a really cool place to get authentic food, Italian food, away from Rome where all the tourist traps are. But yeah, right behind me is the main attraction of Bracciano, which is a castle. And this castle was built in the 15th century. It's where Tom Cruise and Katie Holmes got married. It's well maintained. If you're ever here, most definitely you gotta check this one out. Inside the castle, there's a museum as well as some guided tours. On the screen, you'll see the opening hours as well as the prices. I just made a new friend. I saw him chilling, he came up to me. Now he's my bestie. I'm down to the lake to escape the heat. You can see me right now. The sun is kissing me. Around Lake Bracciano, there are 4 towns. 3 are on the lakeside and 1 manzana slightly outside. Today, we'll be heading to Bracciano. Here we are. This is the lookout right here. It's so beautiful. This is the path you take via like car transport. But if you're like me, you want to walk to the lake, we're going to go this way. So come on with me. Let's go. So we've reached the lakefront of Lake Bracciano. Fun fact, this is actually the crater of a volcanic mountain. The water here is extremely clean. It's actually a reserve of water for Rome when Rome is, having a shortage. Guys, I'm about to go in here. As you can see, there are a lot of restaurants around here. There's a free part of the lake and there's some establishments. So I'm just gonna, loiter and enjoy myself. Cheers.